All right. I got these pretty cool old tools. I've actually went ahead and kind of scraped some of the rust off of them, but we'll see. Yeah, these are nice old tools. It's an old screwdriver. Let's see if we can get in focus. Yeah, I didn't know why people did the whole hand thing until I realized it's just to get things in focus. I can clean them up more, or I can list them online for sale. This one's kind of cool. Oh, I got it upside down. Stevens, made in the USA. Yeah. I don't know. It's like a 3/4 inch. Hard to tell. There's a Phillips. So if you guys know anything about these, help me out. Some of them, you can barely see some writing. Like this one I can see made in the USA, but I can't quite make it out what it says. And I'm worried, cleaning them too much, you might actually scrape some of the words off. This one was really cool. You can see it probably had like a black handle or something. I don't think it had any type of writing on this one, but like I said, sometimes a little hard to see. But yeah, this is a cool one. This one I cleaned up mostly this area. See how it's, before it was like really dirty, so we really used it. I like this because it's riveted. It's just a flat head. It needs a little work on the edge here. I don't know. Should I sell these things? Not sell them? These are cool. So these ones are, they're called, what are they called? Globemaster, and they're made in Germany. This one says chromium. Or vernacular? I can't see. Can't read it. But I think these ones pretty cool, pretty cool. What do you think? Are they worth selling? Would anybody be interested in buying them? So see how I know, I can show you a little bit, but I can tell these ones are older. This one's really cool. It looks like it's part of the set based on how the pattern in the wood is, but since I think it's so small, there's nothing's written on it. So I'm gonna assume it goes together. This is a really cool one. And the reason why it's cool, it's a chevron, A2246. It's kind of cool. Now we'll move these out of the way. So these ones I don't know if I feel like the metal might be older, but these all say Taiwan on them. I'll bring the whole kit. I don't know too much, but I didn't think stuff was being sold in Taiwan until later in life. Maybe 70s, 80s, I thought. So that's like says Taiwan. It has a beautiful handle, but maybe it's just mass manufactured. I mean, these do have the square shape, which is unusual nowadays. Seems like the Phillips all are circles. All the flats are squared shaped except this one. So, don't know why it's different. Yeah, I've cleaned them up a little bit, not too much, in case, you know, you don't want to go too much and ruin them. So yeah, see, there's a little rust, but a lot of it has been removed. It was a lot worse before. All right, what do you think I should do with all these? Should I keep them, sell them? Throw them away? I can hear a bunch of people screaming right now. I just like stacking stuff, guys. Okay? I know you're like, no, don't scratch the metal. I'm pretty sure most of this is tough, you know, tool steel. Or pretty close to it. All right, let me know.